Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Belver Reviews here, and we got this spike mat for the cat to make sure he does not jump around on the cage or bother our bird, our parrot, the one that makes noise while I'm making these videos sometimes. So we got this little strip of spikes. They're plastic spikes. They're not like real spikes that they're going to get hurt, but it's just to bother them. So we're going to open this up. We're going to see what they look like. This is an unboxing review of it right now. So let's open this up and see what's up. Alright, so it comes in a plastic bag like this. It says made in China. We're going to cut it open because it is a sealed bag. And that's 13 feet of it. So this is what it looks like. It's 13 feet by about 11 inches, I think it said. So it's 11 inches by 13 feet is what this should be. So this is kind of what it looks like. Let's take the rubber band off. See what it feels like. There we go. So this is what it looks and feels like right here. So it rolls out like this. Yeah, that seems pretty annoying. I think this should work for the cats. Yeah, there's no way. This is going to be pretty annoying. If the cat steps on this, they're not going to like this because I don't even like it on my hand right now. It feels like acupuncture on your hand, pretty much. Acupuncture. So that's what it feels like. And it does work. The harder I press, they're not breaking. So that's good. So it can hold a lot of weight. So it ain't going to break. So no matter how heavy your animal is, it is going to work. They're not going to like this. So that's pretty much what it's rolled out, what it looks like, how thick it is, how big it is. That's the roll. You roll it out. You can cut it to size of what you need with a scissor really easily. We can cut this to size with a razor blade. And that's how it's going to look. And that's it. So let's hope this works. And it's going to be cool. And that's it. So that's just the unboxing review of it. We bought this off of Amazon, so if you want to know exactly the name brand, I can let you know down below. But if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know as well. And also subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put reviews on everything else. And the only reason I say about the questions is by the time I post this up, it'll probably be 2-3 weeks and I'll be using it. So if you want to know anything about it, just let me know in the comments, and this way I'll be able to answer and help you out if you have any kind of questions about it. All right, so everyone be safe. Have a good one. I'm out. Bye-bye.